Now let's try out a similar but different example. Find the lowest common denominator in the following fractions: 1 over 4, 5 over 16, 3 over 8, and 19 over 64. And arrange the fractions in ascending order, that is, from the lowest to the highest. In this example, the denominators 4, 16, 8, and 64 can all divide 64. Hence, it is wise to say that the lowest common denominator of this set of fractions is 64. Repeat the process used in the previous example by dividing this new denominator with the 4 different denominators and multiply their numerators respectively with the divided output. Once this is done, you should have an answer similar to this: 16 over 64, 20 over 64, 24 over 64, and 19 over 64. Our concern now is to arrange the fractions in ascending order. Since the denominators all are similar, the fractions are arranged thus: 16 over 64, which is less than 19 over 64, which is less than 20 over 64, and which is less than 24 over 64. This in real terms is 1 over 4 and 19 over 64 and 5 over 16 and 3 over 8.
Okay, having said this, let's go over what we've just learned. Multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number is the same as multiplying the fraction by 1. This is equivalent fraction.
Similarly, dividing the numerator and the denominator of a fraction by the same non-zero number will also yield an equivalent fraction. This is called reducing or simplifying the fraction.
A simple fraction in which the numerator and denominator are both primes cannot be reduced further. That is the lowest term that a fraction can be reduced to.
Now solve these questions yourself. What multiplies 2 over 3 to equal 162 over 243?
Simplify the following: A. 120 over 160, B. 946 over 1358.
Find the lowest common denominator of the following fractions. Use this to arrange this fraction in ascending order of size. 5 over 9 equal to 7 over 12, which is equal to 2 over 3 and equal to 11 over 18.
Find the missing numbers. 3 over 8 equal to 15 over missing number equal to missing number over 48 equal to 24 over missing number. Then, arrange the numbers in their decreasing order, that is, from highest to lowest.
So, this is the end of equivalent fractions. In the next class, we shall commence our discussion on the arithmetic of fractions.